Hey guys, so now you are familiar with what a class, a constructor, and an object is, and how to create each one of those things. Now you will learn about a new and important part of classes, methods. In this video, I'm just going to introduce you to the idea of methods. So what is a method? A method is essentially a block of code which runs only when it is called. Methods are used to perform certain actions. A method must be declared inside a class. So why do programmers use methods? They do it to reuse code. Methods save you from having to write the same kind of code many times. In a method, you can define the code once, and then you can use it as many times as you want. Keep in mind that methods are only executed when they are called. This means that for a method to be executed, somewhere in a program, that method has to be called. You'll see what this looks like later. So, methods are used to perform certain actions on objects. Remember how I said that every object has an identity, a state, and behavior? Well, now you know that the identity is just the name you give that object. And methods can play a role in accessing and changing the state and behavior of an object. So, if you recall, the state is the attributes of the object, such as a dog's breed, age, and color. So we can actually use methods to access this data about the state and attributes of an object. When we use methods to access data about an object, they are called accessor methods. We can also use methods to change the state of an object. For example, if I wanted to change the age of a dog object from our dog class earlier, from the age 1 to the age 2, I could use a method to do that. When we use methods to change the state of an object, they are called mutator methods. We will look at creating such examples of methods in the dog class in the next few videos. You have already learned about one special type of method, which is the constructor. This is a special type of method because its syntax and function are different from how regular methods work. So that's why I taught it to you separately. For constructors, follow the syntax that I showed you earlier. The main method is another special method that you have already seen. It looks like this. Does it look familiar? This is also a special method, and there is no other method like it. Just know that every Java program must have a main method. And as for other regular methods that are not constructors or main methods, I will show you how to create those in the next few videos. So, there are public, private, and static methods. You do not need to know what this means yet. Just keep in mind that first you will learn about public methods, and then you will learn about private and static that are supposed to be a little bit more complex.